How to turn off Instagram message notifications. A complete guide. Steps to disable Instagram. Message notifications. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on your profile, look for the three-line menu hamburger icon in the top right corner. Access Settings and Privacy. Tap on the three-line menu, then select Settings and Privacy from the list. Navigate to Notification Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Notifications. Here, you'll find various categories of notifications. Turn off message and call notifications. Tap on Messages and Calls. You'll see options like Message Requests. Turn this off to stop notifications for message requests. Chats. Primary General. Disable these to stop notifications for regular messages. Group Messages. Turn this off to stop group chat notifications. Video Chats. Disable notifications for video calls or rooms. Customize further. Optional. You can also turn off other notifications such as likes, comments, or story mentions by navigating to their respective sections under Notifications. Save changes and exit. After making the necessary changes, exit the Settings menu. Your notification preferences will be saved automatically. Benefits of turning off notifications. Avoid unnecessary distractions. Control which notifications you want to receive. Customize Instagram to suit your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.